Hey guys, this is a video in my TI-30XS Multiview calculator tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the factorial feature on your TI-30XS Multiview calculator. Without further ado, let's get to it. Let's say you wanted to find 5 factorial. Well, you could do it manually and type in 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and press enter, and you get 120, and that is 5 factorial. However, this is a strenuous method for doing the factorial and would prove ineffective if you were interested in finding the factorial of large numbers such as 100. Also, we know that 0 factorial is 1. The only way to show that on the calculator would be to use the factorial option. Instead of manual operations, you could type in 5 on the number pad, then press the probability button, and you see that the factorial option is the third option. So press 3 on the number pad and you see that the entry looks like this. We have 5 factorial. So press enter and we get 5 factorial as 120. Now we can also do 0 factorial. So type in 0. I'll press the probability button and choose the factorial option and press enter, and we get 0 factorial as 1. If you're using the factorial as part of a larger calculation, I would recommend using parentheses to avoid any sort of miscalculation. For example, let's say you want to take 5 factorial and multiply that by 15. I'll open a parentheses, type in 5 on the number pad, then choose the factorial option, close the parentheses, and then multiply that by 15, and then press enter. And I get 5 factorial times 15, and I get the answer for that. I hope this video helps. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to help. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel, especially the graphing and scientific calculator tutorial series. And until next time, take care guys.